Hello and welcome to Crypto Tips. In this video, you're going to learn the difference between a cryptocurrency coin and a cryptocurrency token. You may be new to cryptocurrencies and you've probably heard of crypto coins and you're not sure what crypto tokens actually are. Or maybe you've been in the space for some time, you have been using the two terms, but you don't really understand the difference. Well, in this video, you're finally going to learn what they mean. But hey, if this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Claudio and this is Tamilchain, the channel where I do crypto news, reviews, demos, interviews, and blockchain games reviews. So let's get straight in and show you in two different examples what these actually mean. So we're going to use Binance Chain as an example here. Binance Chain is actually a blockchain which was created by a cryptocurrency exchange called Binance. The reason why they've created this blockchain was to be able to create another exchange on the side called the Binance Decentralized Exchange, also known as Binance DEX. And in order to use it, you do need to have various tokens on there as well to be able to trade. So we're going to look at an example here. So BNB coin, which is the main coin on Binance Chain, is the only coin. You cannot have more than one coin on a blockchain. Normally, you have one coin and the rest are tokens. So in this example, BNB is the coin and BEP2 tokens are the tokens which are developed on this blockchain. So in order to develop a token on a blockchain, you need to create a smart contract, deploy that smart contract which manages all the different transactions in a digital way, and you can use that to trade or simply to transact with other people, right? In this case, you use it for trading on Binance DEX most of the time, right? So we've got one example here of a token called TOMO, and there are many other tokens which are called BEP tokens. Now to move on and talk about another blockchain as an example, we've got Tamilchain, which have their own blockchain too. They've got the TOMO coin, which is their native coin. And then they've got different types of tokens. So unlike Binance, instead of just one, they've got three different types. They've got the TRC20, they've got the TRC21, and the TRC721. One example of a TRC20 token is the Orbit token. Now you may be confused and you may be asking yourself, well, what is the point of having a TOMO coin on the TOMO chain and a TOMO token on Binance chain, right? Well, the reason being is because if you want to trade TOMO in general, as in the project, if you want to trade their coin or their token on a different blockchain, you do need to have that native token because the specific exchange doesn't support your native coin. So in that case, you do need to find a way to create a token which can be pegged on a 1-to-1 ratio with your native coin. So in this case, you can swap the TOMO coin using the TOMO wallet on Tamilchain to the TOMO token on Binance Chain in order to trade on Binance DEX. And again, this is not financial advice or anything. Do check the disclaimer. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to clarify and educate you on what is the difference between the two. So I hope you can understand now that this is a token, this is a coin, and they can actually be atomic swapped. You may have heard of the term atomic swap. Well, within the wallet, you can actually swap between the token and the coin and vice versa. So that is pretty cool. The fact that blockchain technology has advanced so much to now be able to have these kind of chain swaps in between, right? To give you that flexibility. So that was pretty much it from today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're new. I'd very much appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.